T205-C. This video will show you step by step how to set up and program your T205-C timer. Button Overview. Program button. Set program, hold, confirm program. Dash button. Adjust hour, minute. Activate boost function. Reset button. Plus button. Adjust hour, minute. Setting timer status. Clock button. Set time, confirm time. Isolation switch. Resetting the system. To fully reset this unit, press the recessed Reset button with an insulated blunt probe. A full display will show when the battery is charged, then revert to the default screen. --:--. No display indicates that the battery requires charging for a minimum 3-hour period. Setting the correct time of day. 1. Press and hold the Clock button. The day will flash. 2. Press plus or minus to select the correct day. 3. Press the Clock button to confirm the correct day. 4. Hours will then flash. Press plus or minus to select the correct hour. Press Clock button to confirm. 5. Minutes will then flash. Press plus or minus to select the correct minute. Press Clock button to confirm. Setting up a program. 1. Press and hold Program button. This will take you to another screen. 2. Press plus or minus to select individual day, Monday, 7-day block, Monday to Sunday, or 5-day block, Monday to Friday, you want the program to run on. 3. Press Program button to confirm the correct day block. If individual day has been selected, each day will have its program set individually. Monday followed automatically in programming by each of the other days. 4. Prog 1 on time will appear. Hours will flash. Press plus or minus to select the correct hour. Press Program button to confirm. 5. Minutes will then flash. Press plus or minus to select the correct minute. Press Program button to confirm. 6. Prog 1 off time will appear. Hours will flash. Press plus or minus to select the correct hour. Press Program button to confirm. 7. Minutes will flash. Press plus or minus to select the correct minutes. Press Program button to confirm. Prog 2 on time will appear. Repeat steps 4 to 7. Repeat the same steps for Prog 3 and 4. If no other program is required, keep pressing the Program button to revert back to home screen. Current time. Setting timer status. Note: operating mode needs to be set to allow programmed times to function. Use plus button to set the output mode. 1. On. Output permanently on. 2. Off. Output permanently off. 3. Auto off. If the current time is outside your programmed time, you need to set the timer status to auto off. This means the output to your appliance is off until your next programmed on time. 4. On auto. If the current time is within your programmed time, you need to set timer status to on auto. This means the output to your appliance is on until your next programmed off time. Remember, when in program mode, the display will always show auto. Boost function. Enables you to switch on when outside any of your program settings without affecting your programs. 1. Press minus button once during the normal operating mode to turn output on for a 1-hour period. 2. Press minus button twice during the normal operating mode to turn output on for a 2-hour period. 3. Press minus button 3 times to cancel the boost function.